This is Motorola Moto E14, and today I'll show how to capture and manage screenshots on this device. So let's begin by exploring all available screenshot taking methods. So first, simultaneously press volume down and power buttons. Another method you can use is to open the list of recent or background running apps, select what app you would like to take the screenshot of, and then press this icon here. Then, if you'll go into your device's settings, then enter the display category, scroll down and switch on the 3-finger screenshot feature. So switch it on here. Let's see what settings we have. Only exceptions, doesn't matter then. So once this feature is enabled, you can now take a screenshot by making the following gesture. So press with your 3 fingers at the screen, like that, and as you can see, the screenshot is being made. In order to capture a scrolling or a full page screenshot, just take a regular one, doesn't matter which method you will use. And then, well, here you should get the Capture More button, but probably in this phone, this option is not available, I would assume, which is pretty unfortunate. But I guess there is nothing we can do about it. Anyway, you could have noticed that once we capture a screenshot, this little miniature appears that allows you to start editing your screenshot right away, or you can edit it right away by tapping at this icon instead, or you can also share it right after capturing. Now, in order to find the screenshots, open your gallery app of choice. By default, it is going to be Google Photos or gallery, and if you'll go into folders, albums, or your library, you'll see that all the screenshots you capture are being automatically saved into their separate screenshots folder, so you will find all of them here. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comments below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.